Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help, guys. So today I'm going to show you how to improve your DNS performance on your PC, computer, or on your laptop. So let's get it started. So first off, head over to settings. And then what you want to do is go to network and internet. Click on Ethernet and select DNS server assignment and click edit. From here, you want to click from automatic to manual. Toggle on IPv6 or IPv4 depending on what you want to edit or what DNS settings you want to change. And then as you can see here, it's asking for a preferred DNS. Now, what we're going to do from here is go back to your main browser and type in or go to this application, dnsperf.com. Now, from here, the first thing you're going to see is you're going to be placed here in the world DNS providers. So these are the top DNS providers all around or across the world or the globe. Now, the best thing about DNS Perf is you can see what DNS works best in your country or in where you reside. So we're in the Philippines, so I'm going to scroll down and click on Philippines. And as we can see here, Cloudflare is the #1 DNS provider in the Philippines. So what I want to do here is Cloudflare DNS IPv6. Automatically, it will give us the IP address. So you want to toggle on IPv6 right here. Just copy that and then paste it here on preferred DNS and then click on save. Now automatically, that would change our IPv6 DNS server to Cloudflare. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and, of course, the subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.